Okay, so firstly, thanks to Jason and Tyler and the team at Launch. This is an amazing community, and we've had a great time being at this event this week. Some of you may not know our company. It's pronounced Esri. We're a location and mapping company. We were actually founded in 1969. We've been building products using the best geospatial science since 1981. We've got a really large community of some of the best authoritative map makers in the world who are creating maps for governments, utility businesses, and many commercial organizations all over the world. This is an extremely interesting community to us. We've been taking all of this geographic science and building out the next version of our product for developers. We started back building this technology for mini computers, and we've worked our way across all the different computing platforms. My name is Myles Sutherland. I'm part of the emerging business team at Esri, and I work with entrepreneurs and developers to help them leverage the power of the location platform. So I'm just going to take you on a quick story. We're going to run through a few different maps. They're going to show you some of the different services that people are building into their applications today. This is a really interesting map here. What this is showing is graffiti across New York. This map is actually an aggregation of data by neighborhood. This is something that a lot of our government clients do today, and there's lots of startups and product companies building integration to report this type of information. This is actually an intelligent web map. It's a mashup of multiple layers of data, and it helps create this actionable intelligence to help power a government entity. There's many other types of maps that you can use and build upon. This is actually a demographic map. This map is showing San Francisco State University. It's actually showing income per household around the university. There's actually 7,000 different layers that you can query and use inside your applications. Some of this data is being used to power mobile ad networks, real estate buying decisions, and merchandising decisions around stores. There's all sorts of different use cases for this data. There's a lot going on in this map. This one is showing some route optimization across multiple vehicles and multiple stops. This is the type of service and technology that powers the back end of FedEx and managing all of its routing services. As we know today, mobile is an extremely hot topic. We're trying to build systems that help us order a taxi on demand or maybe deliver a product from our store directly to the consumer's home. These types of services that can take into account not only the street network, but predictive, real-time historical traffic data and optimize across vehicle locations, store locations, fulfillment centers, is the foundation for building these types of applications. This is a really interesting map. This one we think of as an invisible map. There's a lot going on in this one, but here we're showing the ability to create geofences, and not just simple geofences that are point and radius. We're creating complex polygons that are using to drive triggers on the device. In this case, it's Washington, D.C. It's a tour guide around the city. We're able to leverage this data down on the device to intelligently power different actions and notifications. It's almost an invisible map that's empowering the invisible button on the device. This last map here, there's a lot going on in this one. There's a couple of layers of data in here. All the blue dots are showing crime data. And in fact, this crime data has associated to it different crime types. We use this to understand the intensity of the crime. The orange dots on the map are showing all the school locations. Through one of our web services, you're able to run some simple location analytics and geospatial processing tools to summarize all of this data up against the school locations. Through this, you can identify the places around the schools that have the most intense crime. This is the type of intelligent map that can help empower real-world decisions to better improve our communities. You can do this with all sorts of layers of data. It's extremely easy to mash up data and run this type of spatial analytics. As I said at the start of this, our company was founded in 1969. One of the things that we have focused on is having a long-term vision for supporting the community of geospatial analysts around the world. Many of you might be new to this technology, and one of the best places to get started is at developers.arcgis.com. You can sign up to a free account. We have our team here. We participated in the hackathon this weekend. It was a total hit for us. We love meeting new developers who are learning about location and mapping for the first time. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you so much to Esri, and we'll take a quick coffee break. Thanks to Pivotal Labs, Cisco, Ticket Leap, and Wristband Bros for helping us throw such an amazing event. We'll see you in 10 minutes.
Tell that motherfucker bring me some motherfuckers to the hospital. Tell Uncle Porter to go pick up 10,000 from Dez and go take about like 20 G's from Gino. Tell that motherfucker get the next door up out of here. Be showing all night, I can't sleep. And call that big butt nurse with the long hair to come out. Bad boy, Dez, come on. The doctor said I need about 3 weeks of recovery, but the nurses is loving me, saying the best part of the day is my half, feeding me breakfast and giving me a sponge bath. Say I died dead in the streets. I'm getting high, getting on the beach, chilling, sitting on about $500,000 with all my women. The next 2 years, I should see about $1 billion, all for the love of drug dealing. Got no love for the other side. Them tricks, any repercussions, Junior Mafia spit clip all the time. Big Papa kick the raw rhymes, raw flows, and that's how it goes. Come on.
This for my slinging things, hammer ringing king, struck necklace, igloo ringing things. For the you see them rims spinning grin, that